Last year I worked full-time, often doing the work of two people. Amid bullying and invasive questions about my private life, I made a choice: build anyway. HIV remains a global challenge. I wanted to put our immunology knowledge into software to see how cells, cytokines, and therapy interact. I built an agent-based model: CD4 T cells, CD8 T cells, B cells, macrophages, dendritic cells, HIV particles, cytokine grid, and ART regimens, each with rules grounded in the literature. I drafted an IND-enabling FIH master protocol concept for HIV-targeted nanotherapeutics to connect simulation hypotheses with preclinical and early clinical testing. I closed the leadership gap with project management training because rigorous science needs rigorous execution. I shipped a working simulator, documented it, and mapped next experiments, calibration, sensitivity analyses, and in silico trial designs for combination ART and nano delivery.